Hello.
Hello, teacher. Nice to see you.
Okay, my name's Nick. What's your name?
My name is Julia.
How are you today?
I'm happy.
And how old are you?
I'm 3 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Which is your class?
I think Catalan. I'm so happy. Who's that here?
Very good, Julia. Let's start with shapes. 1, 2, 3. Okay, which one is the circle? Good. What is this?
Circle.
And what color is the circle?
Balloon.
Blue. Good. Which one is the rectangle? Great. What is this?
Rectangle.
Good. And what is this?
Heart.
Heart. What color is the heart?
Red.
Red. Nice. Let's do 3 more. Which one is the square? Square. Yeah. What is this?
Yes.
And which one is the triangle? Yeah. What's this?
Triangle.
And what is this?
Star.
What color is the star? Yellow.
Yellow.
Yellow. Good. Let's look at the topic Super Mom. What can your mom do?
My mommy can sing.
Good.
My mommy can hug.
Good job.
My mommy can cook.
Yeah.
My mommy can dance.
Awesome. And next is transportation. 1, 2, 3. Which one is the boat? Good. What do you see?
I see a boat.
Awesome. Which one is the plane? Yeah. What do you see?
I see a plane.
And what do you see?
I see a ducky.
Awesome. There are 2 more. Which one is the train? Yeah. What do you see?
Train.
I see a train.
I see a train.
And what do you see?
I see a car.
What color is the car?
Red.
Red. Very good. And here is some food. 2. Which is the rice? Rice. Yes. What food do you like?
Flat.
Yeah, I like rice.
I like flat.
And which one is the chicken? Good. What food do you like?
I like chicken.
Awesome. And what food do you like?
I like meat.
Yes. And we have 3 flags as well. 1 flag, 2 flag, 3 flags. Which is the US? Yes. Which flag is this? Good. Which flag is Japan? Which flag is this?
Japan.
Good. And which flag is this? The U. Yes, the UK.
The UK.
Very good. That is it, Julia. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher. See you next time.
Thank you.